Hello everyone! Today I have a video for you with all kinds of hacks that'll get you cleaning and get it done fast. Let's get right to the video. First up, I'm going to show you how I use vinegar, baggies, and rubber bands to clean my shower head. It's extremely simple. You literally just fill the baggie with vinegar and securely attach it to your shower head and leave it there as long as you would like. I usually like to leave it there overnight or at least for a couple of hours. I also put it on my bottom faucet to clean up the iron and calcium buildup. Who else loves when their house cleans itself? This works so good and increases my water pressure so much with so little work. Next up, I want to show you a quick trick on how I dust my pesky blinds. Grab a pair of tongs, some washcloths, and some rubber bands or hair ties, and carefully attach the washcloths around the tongs and attach it with the hair tie. And just like that, you have a customized duster that cleans both sides of the blinds at once and makes this an easy job that most people dread. And here's a picture to show you a lot of dust that was collected in such an easy way. Next up, I want to show you an easy way on how to avoid those annoying dustpan lines. Grab your dustpan and a roll of masking tape. Rip off a piece about the length of the dustpan, secure it to the floor in the dustpan, and voila! It's like magic. Now I want to show you an extremely easy way on how to get a streak-free clean shower. First, I use a spray shower cleaner all over my entire shower, and then in the tough areas I take a napkin or paper towel and scrub a little bit at those areas. Then I take an old cup, since my shower head is not detachable, and dump water all over the areas of my shower. And I finish it all up by squeegeeing my shower clean. This is so quick, easy, and simple. I would love to hear in the comments some of the things that you guys do to make cleaning simpler and easier for you, because aren't we always looking for shortcuts on some of the things we dread? Lastly, I want to show you guys some genius ways I deep clean my dryer. I always get out my vacuum when I'm cleaning my dryer, and it just seems to make sense to me so that the little lint fuzz isn't flying all over the place, but there's still some areas I can't reach. So what I did to solve that problem is I got an old Christmas wrapping paper center and attached it to my vacuum hose of my vacuum cleaner by using some tape. You could use any tape. I happen to use some painter's masking tape, but look at the suction that the vacuum has and how incredible it works. I love this too because you can bend and manipulate the wrapping paper roll and not worry about it and still get those tough areas. What I absolutely love when I'm cleaning is when I find something that's satisfying. And guys, let me tell you, this is very satisfying. And not only does the vacuum work great for the lint trap, but it also works great on the doors, around the seals where lint also gets trapped. And if you can't get the lint up, I get an old toothbrush and will help aid the process by scrubbing that lint up while sucking it with the vacuum. I'm all about working smarter, not harder. Thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, if you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see any new videos that I'll be posting. Thank you guys and have a great day.